Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the kitchen. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated electric skillets. When you have company coming over and you don't have enough room on the stovetop for all the pots and pans you'll need to prepare a meal, or you don't have access to a stove but do have access to an electric outlet, such as in an RV, school or church, or a community rec room, an electric skillet is a great way to throw a hot meal together. Since most of these appliances are large, they're great for entertaining. They're also useful for delivering a family-sized supper right to the table or keeping food hot on a buffet table if kept plugged in at a low temperature. With many options in the market today, it's hard to find one for your needs. You don't have to worry though, because in this video we have compiled a list of the 7 top-rated electric skillets for your cooking needs. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the electric skillets that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you to make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first electric skillet in our list is the Presto electric skillet. If you want to buy an electric skillet with large cooking surface but don't want to sacrifice counter space or storage space, the Presto electric skillet is a great option. It can be folded in half to make it even smaller. For its size, it measures 20 by 12.5 by 8 inches and weighs 8.55 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Presto electric skillet a 5-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: dishwasher safe skillet pan and cover. The skillet pan and cover are fully immersible and dishwasher safe with the heat control removed. Tempered glass cover. It has a tempered glass cover that allows you to see what's within without having to open it. Built-in spout. The skillet has a built-in spout for pouring liquids and can also be used as a spoon and spatula holder when cooking and serving. Master heat control. You can control master heat control to maintain the desired cooking temperature automatically. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the skillet is quite large, but not too large for one person. The second electric skillet in our list is the Presto electric skillet with glass cover. Aluminum, glass, and phenolic are all used in manufacturing this top-rated electric skillet. Aluminum was used for the skillet pan, glass for the lid, and the phenolic for the handles, which means that it's safe to expect that it's built to last for a long period. As for the size, it measures 23 by 13 by 9 inches and weighs 9 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Presto electric skillet with a glass cover a 5-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: pouring spout. The skillet has a spout for pouring liquids and can also be used as a spoon holder when cooking. Dishwasher safe parts. All parts except the heat control are dishwasher safe, so you only need to remove it when cleaning up. Folding handles. It has folding handles to make it easy to store all of the other parts of the skillet inside the pan. Heat control. You can use the heat control to set the warming temperature of up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the skillet is only available in black color. The third electric skillet on our list is the Cuisinart electric skillet. Cuisinart electric skillet in a brushed stainless steel is a useful addition to any kitchen because it can be used on any countertop. It has a non-stick cooking surface that's large enough for a family order of pancakes or a fajita with friends, and is ideal for low-fat or no-fat cooking. For its size, it measures 13.5 by 9.75 by 6 inches and weighs 4 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Cuisinart electric skillet a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: large capacity. It's large enough to cook 8 hamburgers at the same time without crowding the kitchen. Manual. The skillet comes with a manual that contains lots of appealing recipes. Indicator light. There's an indicator light on the dial that indicates the temperature, which can be set between 0 and 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Side handles. The side handles make it easy to move around safely. Dishwasher safe parts. All parts are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it's more expensive than most models on the market, but it gives superior performance. The fourth electric skillet in our list is the Bella electric skillet. This multifunctional unit is a must for every kitchen. It can be used in a variety of ways, including roasting, frying, sauteing, steaming, and serving in a buffet. It's also great for cooking omelets, ratatouilles, risottos, paellas, and a variety of other family dinners. For its size, it measures 16.73 by 12.2 by 7.87 inches and weighs 4.74 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Bella electric skillet a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: ceramic nonstick coating. The ceramic nonstick coating on this skillet is 8 times more durable and cooks up to 30% faster than nonstick coatings that are commonly used. Dishwasher safe tempered glass cover. It has a tempered glass cover that's dishwasher safe and allows you to view what's cooking inside. Easy release feature. The easy release feature of the ceramic copper titanium coating properties allows for no fuss cooking, and cleanup is just a quick wipe away. Fully immersible base. It includes a base that can be completely submerged in water, making cleaning a breeze. Convenient cool touch handles. Easy handling is made possible with convenient cool touch handles. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the cord is quite short. The fifth electric skillet on our list is the Dash electric skillet. The Dash family skillet is a great way to cook and entertain on the go. Its large pan can accommodate stews, sauces, stir-fries, and more for a family of up to 6 people. As for the size, it measures 18 by 18 by 6 inches and weighs 9.43 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Dash electric skillet a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Tempered glass lid. You can securely check on your meals while they're cooking thanks to the tempered glass lid. Proper sealing. It has proper sealing that conserves heat and flavor, so you can serve great meals every time. True Glide PFOA-free nonstick surface. The True Glide PFOA-free nonstick surface ensures even cooking and consistent outcomes. Cool touch handle. It has a cool touch handle that makes it easy to move meals from the kitchen to the table safely and comfortably. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it's not dishwasher safe. The sixth electric skillet on our list is the Elite Gourmet electric skillet. One of the most versatile and convenient small kitchen appliances you can own is the Elite Gourmet electric skillet. You can whip up 1-dish meals in minutes, sear meats before cooking, and make eggs by the dozen for your large family. For its size, it measures 18 by 14 by 8 inches and weighs 11.3 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Elite Gourmet electric skillet a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Thick cast aluminum body with a black lacquer finish. It has a thick cast aluminum body with a black lacquer finish that resists rusting or warping for added resilience. PFOA-free marbleized nonstick. The skillet is made of PFOA-free marbleized nonstick, which is more resistant to cracking and peeling. Trigger Release Control Probe. You can pinpoint temperatures between 200 and 400 degrees Fahrenheit with its trigger release control probe, preventing hot areas and burnt food. Glass lid. It has a glass lid that keeps splatters out while you're cooking. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it doesn't have temperature control. The seventh electric skillet on our list is the Nesco electric skillet. The Nesco 8-inch electric skillet is one of the smallest electric skillets on the market if you don't want to spend a lot of money on a new kitchen gadget. Its compactness makes it a fully functional appliance and capable of performing roasting and frying tasks with ease. As for the size, it measures 15 by 15 by 7 inches and weighs 3.5 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Nesco electric skillet a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Adjustable temperature control. A variety of dishes can be prepared with ease thanks to the temperature control that can be set to any setting. Heat-resistant side handle. It has a heat-resistant side handle that's great for serving directly from the skillet on the keep warm setting. Durable glass lid. The durable glass lid allows for convenient viewing and is dishwasher safe. Easy to clean. You can clean it with a soft, soapy dishcloth. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the skillet is not perfect for a large amount of cooking. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated electric skillets, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next electric skillet roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please to give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.